Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news, and
Kaizer Chiefs interim coach Arthur Zwane believes Amakosi need to find their identity to regain the dominance and glory days of yesteryear. Chiefs have gone for 7 seasons without any trophy success, quite a disappointing run for the side that used to be known as the Cup Kings of SA. Zwane, a long-time servant of the Glamour Boys, has been tasked with leading the side until the end of the season after the sacking of coach Stuart Baxter. Despite Chiefs not getting favourable results in the 2 games Zwane has been in charge of, the former Amakosi player has been commended by some for the type of play his side has displayed. Zwane has said it's important for Chiefs to find their identity and warned it might take time, but it's the best shot at bringing back the glory days. The identity is very key. If you look at the teams that are dominating all over the world, there's identity, Zwane said. If you are to play chasing the results all the time but not having a way of getting the results, you are bound to crack when the going gets tough. You are bound to crack when you don't know what you are doing simply because you are playing and hoping that you will be able to get a goal, you will be able to dominate the opposition, he said. If you go in there with one intention, to go and dominate and win games, it will take a while to get to the level where everyone would expect it to be, but eventually it will be there. Because there's continuity, there's a way of playing, there's a way of understanding in terms of players and tactical approach. Zwane said the identity will also play a crucial role when it comes to recruiting players. There should be that way that makes life easy for the players and that will also help us as a club going forward in terms of which player we have to bring in terms of the system that we are playing and the way we want to play, the coach said. Otherwise at the moment, we've got a lot of talented players that need to understand each other because previously we've taken the creative mind away from them. Chiefs will continue the search for their first win since Baxter's departure when they play Cape Town City at FNB Stadium in a DStv Premiership match on Saturday 3 p.m. Please subscribe for more news.